Hey, what's up? How are you?
What's up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing very good.
First and foremost, thank you. Thank you for accepting my invitation and coming on this talk. It means the world to
Oh,
me
yeah.
because I know you're super busy, even though it is COVID. I know you've been quite hectic with work and everything. So thank you so much. And
No,
one
no,
thing which I
pleasure is mine.
noticed, Manish, was that you give very huge importance to gratitude. Because I heard
Yeah.
your TED Talks, I heard two of your TED Talks, and in both the conversations, what I realized was that, it's ingrained in you. Where did that come from?
See, honestly, I feel it's all because of my parents because they always taught me that I have to be grounded. I remember I'm a Delhi boy, so when I shifted from Delhi, so my mother told me one thing, very specifically that you might achieve a lot, but always stay grounded. Never forget your roots and never forget where you've come from. So I always believe it's my destiny. God has been really kind. The audience has been really kind because I came to Mumbai. I didn't know a single soul. I had no plans. I didn't even know that which office I can go to
Hmm.
meet people.
Yeah.
But thankfully, it's all because of the audience. So that's why I always feel that जो भी किया ये मैंने नहीं किया. It's all up there. It's happened from there.
Yes, but of course, I mean, you have to give credit to yourself for the hard work because I know you've worked like your ass off to reach where you have, and that. But having said that, the success that you've enjoyed, you still haven't forgotten the. Sorry, there's somebody calling, so it gets paused.
No problem.
So how is it that what I have seen in 20 years in this field is that yes, we are told that not to forget where we are from and not to forget our roots and all that, but success kind of takes you to that place where your head is in the clouds and you're recognized everywhere, and then gratitude kind of goes out of the window.
That does happen. So honestly, that does happen. I will not deny that. At times you do feel, wow, man, I'm so good, and life is going full throttle, and I'm where I wanted to be, or my projects are doing good. But I always feel, and I keep telling everybody I know that it's very short-lived. Uh, I keep that just for a night. I keep my these kind of happy moments just for the moment, and I move on because I know next morning again I wake up with a plan, with the struggle we all have to do every day. So I think I wake up the same Manish Paul who went on stage or went on for a movie or went on for a show before achieving that. So I never forget that, because the moment you start taking these things very seriously, it becomes a problem. Because I always keep telling everybody today, wherever we are, there is already somebody born to take your place. So you will have to leave this place. So I always keep telling that, be very easy and be quick in moving on. That really helps.
And how have you kept reinventing yourself? I had no idea that you sang so beautifully. I heard Hajrai and I'm like, wow,
You're not audible enough.
oh, okay. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now. Yes.
Okay. Okay. No, I was saying that you keep reinventing yourself, and I had no idea that you sang so beautifully. So did you take training? How did that happen?
No, actually, I never took any training for singing. I remember that in my school, what used to happen? We used to have annual days and everything. And I remember that the moment we would have a problem on stage, they would say, Manish, go and cover up. So either I would be mimicking people, or I'll be singing, or I'll be dancing. So I think it's all from there. And otherwise, also, I love singing. It's a hobby I have. So
So
whenever
हो
I'm
जाए
free.
एक दो lines हो जाए.
हाँ बिल्कुल हो जाए. मैं तो वेट कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे कोई गाने के लिए बोले. So I love Kishore Da, and उनका एक गाना, and I love Bachchan Saab, as you can see. He's so
Yes.
cute. I'll sing it for you.
Yeah.
दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे. मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा, वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे, दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे, मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो, कि पल में पिघल जाओगे.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Thank you, thank you. And I saw Hichki. Tell us more about your acting stint, because I for sure, and you can see many viewers have mentioned this as well, that we want to see you, whether it be a web series or films. So tell us a little more about Hichki and the other short films that you shot during.
Yeah, absolutely. So, during the lockdown, everybody was thinking that ab kya kare, things are not rolling and we are stuck in the house. And that's why, I was thinking that, okay, now in the minimum things we have, what can we do? Because I feel that, and as an entertainer, I cannot stop. As an entertainer, we should just keep on doing something or the other. So I remember I came out with 2 songs with a friend of mine called Raghav Sachar. Then apart from that, I did a short film called What If. So that was a film in which I played Manish Paul. And how this guy is very happy that lockdown ho gaya, and as an actor, he's enjoying himself. But suddenly when the lockdown is not opening, how things change. Then I did this film Hichki. So I remember that a friend of mine, Raghu, he came up to me, कहता यार एक फिल्म आप करोगे? मैंने कहा ठीक है दिखाओ. तो उन्होंने मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट बताया. मैंने कहा डेफिनेटली है. एंड द डायरेक्टर कुलिश, वेरी वेरी नाइस डायरेक्टर, वेरी सॉर्टेड. सो जब ये टीम मिली, एंड आई सेड यार वी मस्ट डू इट. एंड आई रिमेंबर दैट we did the film, and the biggest thing for me is it was launched by Amitabh Bachchan sir on social media, on all his channels, all his platforms. So I think that's a big thing for me. I got a fab response, and I am doing more stuff acting wise. So hoping for the best.
So can you tell us something about it, or without taking names, without giving too much? I understand that your lips might be sealed, but maybe थोड़ा सा कुछ हो जाए, थोड़ा सा कुछ.
यार एक्चुअली 2 बहुत अच्छी फिल्म्स आने वाली हैं, जिनकी बस अभी थैंकफुली डील्स लॉक हुई हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग टू स्टार्ट शूटिंग. एंड बहुत बहुत अमेजिंग फिल्म्स हैं, बहुत मजेदार हैं. कास्ट बहुत अच्छी है फिल्म की. सो अभी मैं ज्यादा तो नहीं बोल सकता. अभी मुझे बिल्कुल मना किया है कुछ भी बोले. You know it, man.
I know. Absolutely. And did you dare to dream about being in films as well? Because when you said about, that dream big, dream very big, don't limit your dreams, and it's all about manifesting. Did you manifest this as well?
I manifest a lot. I have a problem. In fact, at times my wife gets angry with me कि यार बस करो, तुम क्या करते हो? तो मैं बैठे बैठे कहूँगा एक दिन ना ऐसा करेंगे, एक दिन ना फिर ऐसा होगा. So she'll say, Manish, stop daydreaming. I said, no, it's not daydreaming. It's my plan. I've left it to the universe now. So I remember that a lot of things are shifting to Mumbai. I remember that the house I'm staying in now. So so me and my wife, we would be crossing this place now. So I would just look at the building and say, we'll take a house here. Yeah. So at that time, it was really out of reach. She would laugh, ki, I don't know what you keep thinking. And I remember the day we bought this house, and I was like, wow, this is amazing. So, I keep saying a lot. I try and create the positivity. I think it's very important for everybody. Negativity तो बहुत चली रही है यार, और होती भी है. Negative लोग भी बहुत होते हैं. But मैं feel करता हूँ, अगर आप positive thoughts रखोगे तो positive चीजें attract होंगी. So I always believed in that. And yes, touch wood for me, manifest करना काम definitely आया.
And what do you do if things go wrong? Somebody insults you, somebody says something negative, and it hurts you. How do you get out of that? Because that is part of life. Negativity is part of life. How do you pull yourself out of that?
Yeah, I think touch wood, thanks to my parents and especially to my father. My father has a great sense of humor, and I've learned this humor from him. It's just that since childhood we've seen that. Every household has some difficulties, kabhi time upar, kabhi niche. But I've never seen my father angry, upset, or bogged down. He would always have a smile on his face. And I keep telling everybody that, everything has a solution. We just have to look for it. There is nothing in this world which has no solution. कहीं ना कहीं है, आएगा, आज नहीं आएगा, कल आएगा. And बाकी लोगों से मैं कभी होता है, कई लोग as actors हमें पता है यार, कभी लोग तारीफ भी करते हैं, कभी कभी लोग बोल भी देते हैं, मजा नहीं आया, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. So I move on. I just have a smile on my face. I never take that seriously. क्रिटिसिज्म होता भी है, बट आई थिंक अगर मैं तारीफ में बड़ा इंजॉय करता हूँ तो ठीक है, क्रिटिसिज्म को भी लेके जस्ट शांत रहना चाहिए, इट्स ओके, जस्ट मूव ऑन। बिकॉज अगर आप क्रिटिसिज्म को बहुत ज्यादा सीरियसली लेने लग गए तो वो बड़ी गड़बड़ हो जाती है, तो मैं कभी उन चीजों में पड़ता नहीं है।
So what next? Now that there are 2 films in the pipeline, अब बचा क्या है मैनिफेस्ट करना?
अभी बहुत कुछ बचा है, मैं
अच्छा।
बहुत ग्रीडी हूँ। so I have my deals with God, so मैं बहुत बिलीव करता हूँ, तो मैं हमेशा ने मुझे होगा अब ना ये होना चाहिए, कुछ करते हैं, so I have my own connection with him, और touch wood, thankfully God listens to me, so I feel happy and blessed। और मुझे बहुत बहुत चीजें होती हैं, मैं ये भी कर लूँ, मैं वो भी कर लूँ, आई एम अ वर्कहॉलिक, तो मुझसे ऐसे नहीं होता कि मैं बैठ गया कि अभी मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा। सो मुझे एक प्रोजेक्ट खत्म होता है, मुझे होता है ओके ये 2 दिन बाद खत्म है, इसके बाद क्या, सो एंड टच वुड, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट मनी। आई लाइक कि मेरा काम ऐसा हो, मैं क्रिएटिव सेटिस्फैक्शन मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी हो जाती है, कि मैं चाहे वो एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, चाहे मैं एक रियलिटी शो कर रहा हूँ, जब तक मैं क्रिएटिवली सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हूँ मुझे मजा नहीं आता, तो वो मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है।
So how do you manage? Because at times the director has a vision, कि मुझे ये ऐसे ही करना है, but in your mind how you have envisioned is कि no, I want to perform like this, or I want to say the line like this. Then what do you do? How do you handle conflicts?
I use my charm, so no, but thankfully I've been blessed enough to have directors जो मेरी बात सुन लेते हैं, but I never impose myself as an actor on the director, because at the end of the day it's the director's call. As an actor you can give your inputs, तो मेरा हमेशा ही होता है, मैं एक इनपुट देता हूँ कि सर इसको ऐसे करके ऐसे कर सकते हैं, so thankfully वो कहते हैं अच्छा ये वाला भी करके देख, so वो अच्छा हो जाता है, तो they keep it, on stage also they will write a script and they'll give it to me, and now तो they don't give a script to me क्योंकि उन्हें पता है ये करेगा अपनी, so and that works for everybody, it's a win-win for all। so मेरे को वही होता है, so point for me is that whatever I do, the audience has to be happy। it's not about my ego or the director's ego or the producer's ego। for me the biggest is the project। तो मैं चाहे मेरी लाइन 4 हो, चाहे 2 हो, चाहे 1 हो, चाहे मैं पूरे सीन में शांत खड़ा हूँ, वो सीन, वो फिल्म, वो शो, वो निखर के आना चाहिए। so for me that is the most important thing।
And in this lockdown, it's been a very tough time because all our shows, events, everything's cancelled. How did you begin the COVID with, like, what were your thoughts and how did you evolve now that I think we are 7 months into the lockdown? How has that journey been? Because it's very special for everybody, this.
See, honestly, I the only thing I really missed was traveling। I love traveling, so I used to travel 4 to 5 days, 6 days every month, कहीं ना कहीं जा रहे हैं, वापस आ रहा हूँ, शूट कर रहा हूँ, then again I'm traveling। so that is something I really got upset about। I said अरे यार अब मैं बाहर कब जाऊँगा, that kind of thing। but I think it has been fine। I don't have any complaints। I've been working, touch wood। thankfully I got to spend time with my family after ages, because I travel and I work so much otherwise that I'm never home। honestly it sounds funny, but पहली बार मुझे मेरे रूम के स्विच बोर्ड याद हुआ है कि फैन इससे चलता है और लाइट इससे चलती है। तो जब तक मैं आता हूँ सब सो गए तो मैं भी आता हूँ और सो जाता हूँ। so honestly it's been good। काम वाम किया, got time for myself after a long time। I watched a lot of movies। I caught up on a lot of cinema I had missed, because कई बार टाइम ही नहीं मिलता, या फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड नहीं होता। मूवी देख रहे हो बट यू आर इन योर थॉट कि अरे यार ये खत्म होते ही मुझे वहां जाना है। so अब खत्म होते कहीं जाना ही नहीं था, घर ही थे। so that was good also। I enjoyed the lockdown।
And what about workouts? Because I know you're quite serious about that as well। How give us a little bit of the fitness mantras as they call it। How has that been in COVID and how was it before? How did you manage? Because like you said, it was super hectic। wow, क्या बात है।
So this is my room where I've turned this into a mini gym, where I have my bench press and dumbbells and all। तो मैंने इनफैक्ट आज ही भेजे हैं, मैंने कहा जाओ इनको थोड़ा ऑयलिंग सब करा के वापस लेके आओ, बिकॉज आई न्यू दैट अब पता नहीं कब खुलेगा सारा मामला, जिम कब खुलेंगे। And one thing I cannot stay away from is my workout. I love working out. So I started doing this, which is the functional training and my weights. So that was every day because one thing I let loose on was sweets. मुझे मीठा खाने का बहुत शौक है एंड मैं बहुत जल्दी गेन वेट करता हूँ बिकॉज आई एम पंजाबी और हम पंजाबियों को तो खाने का बड़ा शौक होता है तो मैं उस चीज में मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी तो मैंने कहा चलो यार खाना पीना तो होगा बिकॉज आई नो टुमारो आई एम नॉट गोइंग फॉर अ शूट यू नो इन अदर मंथ मे बी आई वोंट बी गोइंग फॉर अ शूट तो खाना पीना बहुत हुआ बट आई मेड श्योर दैट यू नो माई वर्कआउट वॉज इंटेंस यू नो थ्रू आउट आई मेड श्योर कि नहीं कुछ भी हो वर्कआउट डेफिनेटली करूंगा.
Now, you also shared about coming from Delhi, from Malviya Nagar, and when you decided to make this shift, was there fear in your mind that what if you don't achieve it? What if, or you were sure even then, you know, that you will be able to manifest? You dare to dream, and you just took the faith of the leap of faith.
Yeah, I took the leap of faith. Honestly, I had, as I said, I had no plans. I had no place. I had no friends. I just had 2 friends in Mumbai, and. बस एक दिन मुझे हुआ I said I think I want to go to Mumbai. So my dad said, okay, but what do you want to do? I said I want to be a hero. He said I have no connections. I said it's okay. I just want to take the plunge. And I remember I came here and I just took the addresses. Whoever gave me an address, एक audition पे गया वहाँ से दूसरा पता चला, दूसरे से तीसरा पता चला. So entire day I would do that. You know, I had my bag, which I still have with me. I call it my struggle bag. So that bag had my pictures in it and a water bottle. So that was the only thing I had. और मैं वो लेके सब जगह घूमता था. So when I came down, I used to stay in Chembur because my nani used to stay in Chembur. So first few months I stayed with her. But then I told my mother also because mother's being possessive. ना नहीं अकेले कैसे रहेगा खाना कहाँ से खाएगा. I said mom I'll manage. But you know it's very difficult. Then I shifted to Malad. So this side of the town I came. But I remember, I don't call it my struggle. I call it my learning period because struggle मुझे बड़ी बेचारगी वाली feeling आने लगती है थोड़ी थोड़ी. तो मुझे लगता है struggle नहीं है, learn किया है. So auditions भी दिए, बहुत rejections हुए, बहुत से reality shows जो मैंने बाद में किए मैं उनमें पहले reject भी हुआ था बतौर host. मुझे main stage नहीं दिया जाता था जब मुझे finally काम मिलना start हुआ. I was only called for the red carpet. कि नहीं मेन स्टेज नहीं वो बाकी लोग करेंगे आप रेड कार्पेट कीजिए और जाइए बट आई थिंक कपड़ा बहुत मजा आया मुझे मैं when I sit down and I think of it my journey has been till now in Mumbai if I say it's 15 years now in September I completed 15 years in Mumbai and it's been fantastic. It's fantastic.
So what was the first break? If you know, we always have these memories that okay, this was the one thing that made me who I am today. You know, we do a lot of small things like, you know, I did small ads and I was second lead in a couple of ads and then, you know, the first break came. So for you, what do you consider? Which one do you consider as your, like the big break?
See, I did a lot of work, but मैंने छोटे-छोटे भी बड़े सारे काम किए. मैं by the way मैंने वो भी किया है. वो नहीं होता था टेली शॉपिंग नेटवर्क में जो आवाजें होती थी. तो इंग्लिश को डब करके हिंदी में मैं वो भी करता था बिकॉज मैं आया था मेरे को कुछ नहीं था. So somebody told me यार तू ये क्यों नहीं करता. मैंने कहा यार मेरे को ये नहीं करना. जैसे नहीं करो. मैंने कहा हाँ वैसे काम है लेट्स डू इट. तो मैंने वो भी किया. बट आई रिमेम्बर जब व्हाट आई कॉल अ टर्निंग पॉइंट इज झलक दिखला जा. That was one show which changed everything. You know, उससे पहले मैंने एक और शो किया था on ZTV called घर घर में. But झलक में a lot of stars came and that time I wasn't, you know, friends with them. तो उनके साथ जब मैंने मस्ती करनी स्टार्ट करी and it became normal with everything, you know, and people started taking notice कि यार ये लड़का कर लेता है, you know, ये पंगे भी लेता है और निकल भी जाता है. So वहां से जो रोलिंग स्टार्ट हुई ना एक शो फिर दूसरा फिर तीसरा. Then at time I was doing 4 shows together. That was the first time ever कि एक होस्ट सारे शोज में था. So फिर मैंने कहा नहीं यार ये तो टू मच हो रहा है. जो चैनल फ्लिप कर रहा हूँ मैं दिख रहा हूँ. This is not good. So that was the time I took a little easy. मैंने कहा नहीं अब थोड़ा जरा एक एक करके करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट. But हाँ झलक दिखला जाए definitely changed a lot of things for me.
I think I remember watching it for you many times. You know, I used to switch it on because I wanted to see. You know, you're working hard and then you want a smile on your face. What better than having somebody like you bringing that smile on our face? So that was really awesome. That was a very good. But I had no idea that was your break. By the way, I thought you looked like so polished and so comfortable. It didn't look like.
Yeah, nahi, actually, and that was the first time I was working with Karan sir, Madhuri ji and Remo. तो इन तीनों के साथ मैं पहली बार काम कर रहा था, एंड मुझे मैं आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ माधुरी जी. तो मुझे याद है मैं ना उनको देख के नर्वस हो रहा था. मैंने कहा अरे यार मैं मुझे लग रहा था मैं फंबल मार दूंगा. एंड आई रिमेम्बर दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज होस्टिंग विद हर, एंड सडनली अ मोमेंट केम वेयर दे सेड मनीष अब तुम डांस करो. तो मैंने कहा मैं किधर. तो माधुरी जी कहती है अच्छा चलो मैं आती हूँ. मतलब मुझे याद है मेरे ना घुटने कमजोर हो गए. मैंने कहा मैं कैसे डांस करूंगा. एंड आई हैव दैट पिक्चर. इट इज सच अ फनी पिक्चर कि मैं माधुरी जी के पास भी नहीं जा रहा था. मतलब हाथ भी ना मैंने इतनी दूर से उनका पकड़ा हुआ था कि नहीं मैं कैसे पास आ सकता हूँ आपके. एंड शी वाज सो ग्रेशियस कि अरे तुम अच्छे से डांस करो, तुम शर्मा के रहो यार, मेरे को छोड़ दो प्लीज. बट उसके बाद तो फिर माधुरी जी के साथ बहुत मैंने मस्ती करी. एंड but the good part about all these actors and stars is that they never कि कोई मजाक कर लिया या उनकी टांग खींची, उन्होंने बुरा नहीं लगाया किसी बात का. So a lot of contribution is from all of them also to my career, because अगर ये लोग ही नहीं मानते या ये लोग बात नहीं सुनते या नहीं करते तो फिर मैं नहीं होता.
No, you are being very now modest, when you're saying this. Which I understand that, that's part of your personality. Now, a special advice to all the anchors or who want to be anchors. How do you prepare yourself? Because you come across as extremely natural. The jokes that you crack or extempo, the way you say something about somebody. Do you prepare, or what goes into you coming on stage? What are your steps?
यार एक्चुअली आई रीड अ लॉट. तो मुझे पढ़ने का बहुत शौक है. मैं मूवीज बहुत देखता हूँ. मैं मेरे अराउंड क्या हो रहा है मुझे जानना बहुत जरूरी होता है, जनरली जस्ट फॉर माय नॉलेज कि अच्छा अभी क्या हो रहा है, अभी और क्या होगा, अभी कौन सा एक्टर कौन सी मूवी कर रहा है, या कौन सी नई बुक आई है, या किसने क्या लिखा है. So all those things I keep absorbing, and I have realized that our subconscious mind is a great weapon we have. It's a great tool we have. A lot of things we store in our subconscious mind, and once that starts working, it's magical. Because I'll tell you honestly, half the things I do on stage, I don't even remember. So I don't know how they happen. I just keep telling everybody, be aware of your surroundings. Hosting for me is not just reading the script on the teleprompter. It is about making that script your own and making the stage your own. The moment you do that, the game is yours. क्योंकि मैंने जनरली देखा है कोई एक्टर कुछ बोल रहा है, लेकिन क्योंकि होस्ट के प्रॉम्प्टर में वो लिखा था तो वो वही पढ़ रहा है. तो मुझे कई बार होता है यार वो कुछ और बात बोल रहे हैं, तो उनको आंसर कर लो, स्क्रिप्ट में बाद में आना. सो वो चीजें जो है मैं हर एक को बोलता हूँ. हैव अ गुड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. Another thing I always try and do is obviously मैं सबकी बहुत टांग खींचता हूँ, बट मैं कभी भी ऐसा नहीं करता कि किसी को डिमीन कर दिया या किसी को हर्ट कर दिया या खुद को हीरो दिखा के दूसरे को जीरो कर दिया. आई नेवर डू दैट, बिकॉज मुझे होता है नहीं यार, वी ऑल आर अ फैमिली. सो इट्स लाइक मैं जब भी शो कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे लगता है मेरे घर के हॉल में बैठे हैं सारे, मेरे घर पे आए हुए हैं और मैं मजे करवा रहा हूँ सबको. सो जब आपके घर कोई आता है आप उसकी बेइज्जती नहीं करते, आप उसको एंजॉय करवाते हैं. सो दैट इज द फंडा आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन.
That's superb, and I think that's great advice to people who want to take up anchoring as well, or the existing anchors who keep on just reading that teleprompter. Now, one last message to all the viewers. I know we are short of time. I know I have to let you go at 6:30. Unfortunately, because there's so much more I can talk to you about, but
I know.
at the time. What is that one last message that you want to give all our viewers who are watching us?
I keep telling everybody, number one, please be kind to all, yaar. Matlab, there's so much of negativity happening around, and we are misusing social media. We are misusing freedom of speech. I think let's not do that. Let's create a happy atmosphere, which is missing right now in everywhere. कहीं भी बात कर लो, कोई ना कोई, हम लोग सब एक दूसरे पे ताने मारने पे बैठे हैं. Let's not do that. I always keep telling everybody, be happy. आप खुश हो, बाकियों को खुश रखो. Always respect your parents. Never forget कि whatever you are, it's because of the parents. So always respect your parents. And एक चीज मैं हर आदमी को स्पेशली बोलता हूँ, respect women. That's the most important. So I keep telling everybody, मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ मेरी हमेशा एक लाइन होती है to all the boys, all the men, guys, be a man, respect women.
Thank you so much, Manish. Those are really words of wisdom. And coming from you, I know you have this huge fan following. So I'm hoping that everybody listens to you and follows it, because we definitely need that right now for sure,
I hope
considering
we
what
need.
we are hearing. Once again, heartful gratitude to you for
No,
accepting
yeah.
the invitation to come on Dr. A Talks. See you, and we hope to see you very soon on the big screen.
Absolutely. Soon again. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.